5, MIA! Well, we're having a good time down here. Red light time, you know what that means. We're going to get some more footage of the, where this guy's playing his guitar. It's about 60 degrees out here. Look, we got another character. He's wilding out. This is like the corner, man. This right here is Lincoln and Washington, Miami Beach. Everything goes down. Well, not everything, but a lot of things go down right here. See that? That's the street sign. Doing the panoramic view right here. You got a McDonald's. You got, and in that McDonald's, all kind of things happen in that McDonald's. I've seen people get sick, party, hangover, and they get sick inside the McDonald's. That's not a good sight, but yeah, it happens. You got a hamburger shop, you got a bunch of buses, some place called the Hawaiian Tower. I have no clue what that is. A bunch of shops, a bunch of tourists, skateboarders, everything, Starbucks. On like Saturdays and Sundays, I think they have a big market down here where people sell fruits and everything. But yeah, this guy's doing stunts and tricks. I think they have no skateboarding or something, but I've seen wrecks right here on this block. I've seen moped accidents. I've seen, like, one time a guy looked away for half a split second and got his bike stolen right here. You know, basically, you never know what could happen over here. You got beautiful people. It's kind of cold out, so people are bundled up. We're going inside the Mickey D's. Signing off.